Now first, let's look at defining the sound space for your video. Imagine you're shooting a video of a forest walk. Your goal is to create an atmosphere of solitude with nature. Think about which natural sounds fit the scene. Rustling leaves, bird song, the sound of a stream, and so on. You'll notice that the sound of a light breeze and bird song adds a sense of seclusion and harmony with nature. And this is exactly what we need. Adding a slight echo to the scene where we see the hero's footsteps can expand the surrounding space. For an extra, use the sound of the wind, but modify it slightly by increasing its speed and adding low frequencies to create a sense of approaching mystery or something unknown in the depths of the forest. I will explain how to do this in the next steps. Combining different sounds and experimenting with their volume and placement on the timeline immerses the viewer in the intended atmosphere. This approach allows viewers to not just watch the hero in his walk, but fully immerse themselves in the feelings and emotions you want to convey.